Let's say Saturn plus Ketu conjunction, you have it in the fourth house, then there'll be a quarrels with father as well as especially in terms of real estate matters, because fourth house talks about real estate. Okay, the property, the ancestral property, there'll be some kind of litigation also happens because of property issues, especially from the ancestral property. And let's say Saturn plus Ketu conjunction, you have it in the fifth house, then your children becomes very stubborn, so they'll be lacking the ethics, moral values and all that. You might need to teach the moral values to your children if you have Saturn plus Ketu conjunction in the fifth house. Let's say Saturn plus Ketu conjunction, you have it in the sixth house, then this person will undergo debts, and to repaying capacity will become very less for this person, and they'll be literally asking to lot many people for repaying the loan and all that. And this happens especially in the Saturn Mahadasha. If Saturn is also sitting in the enemy sign, okay, you'll be having the financial crisis. And let's say Saturn plus Ketu conjunction, you have it in the seventh house, then as I mentioned to you, there'll be a problems and misunderstandings with the partners. Why? Because seventh house represents business partnership. If at all you are doing a partnership business, then Ketu and Saturn conjunction in the seventh house provides a conflicts with your partners. Okay, and also these people will be changing the partners as well. They'll be going to first partner, and later they'll be undergoing kind of cheating or some kind of misunderstandings, and later they'll get into other partner, and again they'll be keep changing the partners again and again. That's what happens. If this happens especially in the Saturn Mahadasha or Antradasha, if at all Saturn is sitting in the enemy side. Let's say Saturn plus Ketu conjunction, you have it in the the eighth house. Eighth house represents government bank loans. So you will be having the troubles from the government and also from the bank people, because you will not be able to pay the EMIs and money, the loan which you have taken. Okay, you will not be able to pay the EMIs on all that time, and sudden ups and downs happens if Saturn plus Ketu conjunction, you have it in the eighth house. Okay, and Saturn plus Ketu conjunction, you have it in the ninth house. This conjunction brings up luck for you. Okay, that means less hard work and more rewards. And the Saturn plus Ketu conjunction, you have it in the 10th house, then your colleagues and your surrounding, that is your career environment, will be little messy enough. Your colleagues will not be listening to your ideas and all that. There'll be always some kind of opposition happening across your office environment. Because Saturn is the Karaka for career, and 10th house represents career, and Ketu joins with Saturn in the 10th house, brings up a lot of professional harassment as well as politics at your office environment. And let's say Saturn plus Ketu conjunction, you got it in the 11th house, this person will be having the financial issues, financial crisis, or undergoing the debts. Why? Because 11th house talks about incoming gains, Saturn represents the karmic lessons, and Ketu represents separation or litigation. So this person will not be having so much interest towards money, as in spite of he having a lot of money from the ancestral properties and anything, he will not be really making use of it, because Ketu is a planet of isolation. Ketu is a planet of separation, detachment, disagreement, conflicts. Okay, so that is what is being seen. If Saturn plus Ketu conjunction, you have it in the 12th house, as I mentioned to you, it's good for spirituality. Ketu in the 12th house is really good because it takes you into the higher levels of spiritual progress. The people who are thriving for the spirituality, it's always blessing to have Ketu in the 12th house. Okay, so this is my analysis on Saturn plus Ketu conjunction, and if you need my consultation, please book from the link that is mentioned in the announcement section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll come up with other topic, and bye for now.